Hello there everybody, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to the June Simon Says Stamp unboxing video. Yeah, it's been a lot of hauls and unboxings this week. I know, I apologize. As I've said, if you missed the very first video that kicked off this week, it's been a rough couple of weeks. Hopefully I have filmed and posted an update video. If I have, I will link it down below and link it on the inside. If I have not, it's coming soon. But today we are here to unbox the June kit for Simon Says Stamp because it's a little early. I don't know if it's still available, but I will leave a link down below to Simon Says Stamp. If it isn't, you can always purchase the item separately. Yeah, so let's get started. So this month's kit is called Leafy Frames. And as always, you get a sheet that gives you 6 inspirations, and then it tells you everything that you get. So first you get this 6x8 stamp set, and this was designed by Christina Warner. So this is her handwriting, which I absolutely love. The last couple of stamps have been floral. In fact, I've been working on the other one. It's right here. And all next week will be videos using the Simon Says Stamp May kit. So be on the lookout for that. But so anyway, yeah. So I love florals. I think they're so pretty and they can really go for anything. And I always love Christina's handwriting. I'm so glad that she finally decided to start using that in stamp sets. So you got these beautiful frames that you can Copic color, that you can watercolor, that you can just stamp and stamp on colored paper. You can emboss. So a lot of things that we can do with these, and hopefully I will have a chance to show you all of these. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to show you the May kit from Simon Says Stamp. After that will be the Echo Park kit, and then at some point I'll get to this kit too. I don't know about the Whimsy kit. If you guys are interested in purchasing the April kit from Whimsy Stamp, it's the little pig one. I didn't get a chance to use it. Let me know and I'll sell it to you for what I paid for it, with shipping. Just let me know down below. I'll try to post a picture. Misty, if you're editing and listening, insert a picture here and a price, and I'll even be willing to ship it internationally if you're interested. You'll just have to pay shipping and custom fees, etc. It's just too much. And again, I mentioned in my paper pad haul, my crafting haul for June, that I want to film a Dear Crafting video, Dear Craft Company videos, and that's one of the things I want to talk about is just how often crafting companies are coming out with new product. I just feel like it's way too often, and I just have too much stuff waiting for me to get to. So, but that's a story for a different day. Today we're unboxing the June kit. So yeah, let's talk about that. So anyway, so you get 2 frames. You get like a border, and then you get some additional leaves and a couple of flowers. You get a Just Because, Hello, Sending, Always Here For You, and You Are Always In My Heart. This one and Always Here For You to me would be perfect for sympathy cards. So then for typography, you get Smiles, You, Joy, and Love, Birthday, Joy, Love, Proud of You, Thanks, Faraway Hugs, Hugs and Kissing, and You're Amazing. So really, and Smiles. Did I say that? I don't know. So like I said, even if this kit is out of stock, you can purchase these items individually. So that's the stamp set. For the paper pad, it is 6x6 Cardabella's Botanical Garden. Someone was saying that this is the same thing that came in the Echo Park kit, and that's incorrect. That Echo Park was something different. But this is really pretty. I love the colors in this. Holy Moses. See what I'm saying about the difference between Cardabella and Echo Park? Cardabella is way more like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, just not whimsical. It's more floral and classy and just, you know, it's just different. So it's like their sister. They're sisters, not, you know, not the same. So not that there's anything wrong with that. I love both of them, and I've had, you know, from both. So yeah. So 12 6x6 pieces. You get a mini Paper Blossom sit from Kaiser Craft. There are 10 here, and these are called coconut. I guess that's the color. Those are cute, but that was rough to make. I tried to make some paper flowers. Holy Moses. Then you get some frames and tags that go with the botanical garden set. And I bet you could find the other ephemera pack on Simon if you were interested. I've got some envelopes here. I love their shimmery. Here I have a pink one from the May kit. Look how pretty. I'm gonna have to invest in these envelopes. I will be selling my cards on Etsy again at some point. Just not yet. So hold on, it's coming, I promise. So we got metallic green leaf, metallic gold, and metallic black, and then just a plain white. Like I said, the pink is from May. And then we have green leaf, black, cotton candy, ivory, and then this is Nina Desert Storm 100-pound cardstock. And then last but certainly not least, you get a glitter duster from Tim Holtz, or Stampers Anonymous, and then you get some distressed glitter from Tim Holtz. Now, the thing you need to know about this, and there are videos all over the place, this does not adhere your glitter, okay? This just creates a very fine spray of glitter, and I'll be showing you that in the videos that we do. But you're still gonna have to have a way to adhere your glitter. So if you start playing, or if you're unsure, make sure you search on glitter, search this glitter duster on YouTube. You'll find a couple of videos by Tim Holtz himself, and it will show you exactly how you can use it, but also he'll tell you that you'll need something for your glitter to adhere to. And you don't have to just use this clear rock candy glitter. You can use any glitter you want. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you are having a fantastic week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.